Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I've been meaning to make this video for a while. If you go to your Smart Fill tool, the interactive fill tool has a hotkey. The Smart Fill doesn't. So if I want to fill this in, I've got to go to the Smart Fill tool and then go up here and pick a color and then fill it in. So let's make a hotkey for that. Let's go to Tools, Options, Customization, Commands. Okay, I don't know where the Smart Fill is, but if I go over here and pick Smart Fill, there it is right there. Now I'm going to pick it and I'm going to go to a shortcut key, and there's no shortcut key. What can we make it? S, that's Live Sketch. I don't ever use Live Sketch, but in case you do, we could make it alternate S. That's currently something else. Let's go Control S. That's taken up. F for fill. Good enough for me. And then hit OK. Now if we go over here and look at that. So if I'm drawing this and I add a circle and then I weld it and I want to fill it. Now I could go over here, it's an object, but in case it wasn't an object and I need to fill it, all I do is have to hit the F key and I've got the Smart Fill. It really, I wonder if we could, I might make a second video, and don't be surprised if there's part 2, where you would automatically go to the eyedropper. Let's say just to show you how that works. Let's say we have this green and we make a new color and we're holding down the control button. We'll add a little blue, add a little yellow, add a little red, and get a really weird color. Well, I'm going to hit F and then go up here to the eyedropper tool and take a sample, and I can put it right there, my new color. You can, if you like that color and you're going to use it, you can dock it over there. I'm never going to use that army green looking color. But I'm going to also see if there's not a way to have it go to the eyedropper of that field, because it's got to be color eyedropper, which is the same thing here though. So I don't know. And that would even work. Let's take the color away from here. Let's change this color and add a little blue, holding down the control button. So you can do the same thing with the eyedropper. Take a sample and go there. So it is that, and that doesn't have a, that's easy enough to grab. I have trouble because the Smart Fill tool is actually underneath the interactive fill flyout. And now I don't have to go over there and pick it and get which one it is. I can just fill it in. So that's a pretty easy hotkey. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.